Hi guys, I'm Michael with Arnie Paint Supply. Today we're going to be restoring a marine boat seat, and we're going to be going over the step-by-step process of cleaning, painting, and basically bringing this seat back to new condition. So what we've got here is the Sim Marine Vinyl System, and we have Scotch-Brites, the Sim soap, the cleaner, and then the top coat that's going to be used to refinish this vinyl. And this boat seat is in pretty rough shape, so we've actually are going to use some degreaser and even a little bit of bleach water on this seat to bring it up and get some of the mildew and stuff like that. If your seats are not as rough as this, you may not need all of these steps, but we're gonna actually start this process with a little bit of degreaser and some bleach water to help remove some of the mildew and some of the extra grime on this seat before we get going. Okay guys, so we've already cleaned this up. We took some bleach water solution and then we took a degreaser, and now these have been washed off, and we're gonna start with the Sim soap. So you guys may not have to do this process that I did prior to this if your seats are in good shape and they're just faded, but this is kind of a process. The Sim soap on through our finish is kind of true of any process you're doing on these marine boat seats. So basically this is going to do two things. We're going to use this with a gray Scotch-Brite pad, and we're going to use this to clean and abrade these seats, getting them ready to accept the top coat of paint. And you're just going to work this Sim soap in. It's got a little bit of grit to it, and that's going to help open up all the pores of this vinyl and get it nice and clean so paint will adhere well. Okay guys, so we just cleaned these and washed these off, and they've completely dried now. And now we're ready for our next step, which is our final clean, which is the Sim Vinyl Prep. And what this is gonna do is this is gonna remove any final solvent-based contaminants that would be on here, such as oils, things like that. It's a really important step you don't wanna skip. It does help make sure that the product bonds correctly to these seats. So we're gonna spray this down. We've got some nice low lint towels here we're gonna wipe this off with, and then we're gonna let it dry for about 3 to 5 minutes before we apply our first coat of paint. Okay guys, we've allowed this product to dry about a half hour, and it's dry to the touch now. So I would recommend, if you've got a seat disassembled or you're on your boat, leave it about 24 hours before you put it into use. And as you can see, it's made a nice coverage. We weren't trying to match the original finish as far as matching the black and stuff in here, but an overall really good result, and it should provide many years of durability and extend the life of your boat seats. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video today. You can find the products we used today listed below, and if you would like and subscribe to our page, we would sure appreciate it.